Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can enable or disable sensitive content on Instagram. So let's get started by opening our Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, go ahead and simply log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then from here simply tap on this three line icon. Then from here scroll below, then under what you see, go ahead and simply tap on content preferences. Inside here tap on sensitive content, and here you will then be able to find three options. If you would like to see less of this content, simply select less and then tap on confirm. If you would like to see more of these content, you want to go ahead and simply tap on more and then confirm. But if you want to keep it in middle, go ahead and simply choose standard and then tap on confirm. Well, that is simply how you can enable or disable sensitive content on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.